if you can get an erection but you can't keep it, or you're leaking firmness mid-sex, there's a good chance it's not low testosterone or it's all in your head. It might be weak pelvic floor muscles, the exact muscles that trap blood in the penis and help you stay hard. In this video, I'll show you the two key muscles, why most men do Kegels wrong, and the simple routine, 3 seconds, 10 reps, 3 sets, twice a day, that can start changing erection quality faster than you think.
I want to increase my strength and hardness. I know exercises like Kegel exist, but don't know how to perform them. Please suggest exercise and how to do it and how many times a day. Well, it depends on what you mean by strength and hardness. Hardness, I assume the rigidity of your erection. I don't know what strength means because you can interpret it in many ways and it's kind of a little ambiguous. So hardness is the rigidity, I assume. And Kegel does help, but most men do it wrong. If you have ED, most likely you have weak pelvic muscles. Pelvic muscles are the little muscles that are between your scrotum and your rectum. And they're little muscles that wrap around the base of the penis and they keep the blood in the penis, and they actually contribute to the rigidity of your penis. But they also do several things. They are the one that contracts when you have orgasm, and they also are the muscles that contract to expel semen when you ejaculate. They have multiple functions, and they're also the muscle that start your urine stream. So those are the muscles that start your urine and also stop your urine. They're small, but they're mighty muscles. And how to do Kegel. Most men do it wrong because you don't relax. Most men, the pelvic muscles are very, very weak. Most men do it wrong. Okay, so if you see on the screen here, so your pelvic muscles, they are the bulbospongiosus muscles, and you can see it on the screen, bulbospongiosus. And they are also the ischiocavernosus muscle. All right, the bulbospongiosus, the one that wrap around the base of the penis, and that little muscle that comes on the side of the penis there, the ischiocavernosus muscle. Those are the pelvic muscle that are responsible to help keep the blood in the penis. It acts like a tourniquet, acts like a rubber band that keeps the blood in there. But they're also responsible, like I said earlier, starting and stopping your urine stream, which they are the one that contracts when you have orgasm, and they're the one that expel out the semen. Okay, they're small, but they're mighty, right? Most men with ED, those muscles are weak. That means that they contract, but they don't contract very strong. So they just like to do a little bit of like this. That's why you lose it after you have an erection, or you lose it during penetration. So those muscles are become weak. And Kegel is the type of exercise that you do. But the pelvic muscles are these two muscles. The Kegel is the exercise that you do where you contract this muscle. So the D2 muscle, like I said, start and stop your urine stream, right? So if they start and stop your urine stream, what you do is like when you urinate, stop your urine stream so you can have a sense of what the muscles feel like. So that way you can have some feedback when these muscles contract, what it feels like start and stop your urine stream. But most men do it wrong because you like tense up your leg muscles, like the inner thigh muscle, or you tense up your buttock muscles, or you tense up your ab muscle. So you do it wrong if you're doing that. To do it right, to do a correct Kegel, you have to relax everything and just contract the ischiocavernosus and the bulbospongiosus muscle alone. And how you do that is just a little contraction. You can put your hand, bring your hand and put it underneath your scrotum, and you can feel the contraction. So if you just contract those muscles, you can feel the contraction underneath your hand. And it feels like a muscle contract. Yeah, make sure you relax your buttocks and your inner thigh. So what you do is you do it lightly, just a contraction, and try to hold it for 3 seconds and then slowly let it go. But most of you will not be able to hold it for 3 seconds because you're weak. You'll be able to hold it for 1 second and then you relax, okay? So you want to contract those muscles, hold it for 3 seconds, and then relax, and then contract again, hold it for 3 seconds and relax. So you want to do 10 repetitions, 3 sets, okay? Twice a day. You want to start out first with lying in the bed or lying on the sofa with your knees up, with your knees bent. Try to do that first, and then you can work up to sitting, right? If you do that well, you can work up to sitting, and you can work up to standing. So these muscles get weak because they are the one that hold up your intestine. That you can see it on here in this picture. It acts like a sling. So those muscles, they attach from the pubic bone all the way to your tailbone, like that picture. So it acts like a sling. So over time, because when you're standing up, gravity pulls on it, right? So over time, it sags and it becomes weaker because your intestine, it holds up your intestine. You can see this picture here. So this is actually a woman. So you can see the uterus. So men don't have a uterus, but it holds up your intestine, okay? So those are the pelvic muscles. So these are the pelvic muscle for men right here. And the pelvic muscle is balanced by the abdominal muscle and balanced by the diaphragm. So oftentimes when you do Kegel, when you contract Kegel, you want to also relax, like exhale. It's a little bit more advanced, that's why I don't talk about it. But if you really want to do it correctly, you contract during exhale. But the abdominal muscle, the pelvic muscle, and the diaphragm muscle, and the back muscle, which is called the multifidus muscle, they all work together in maintaining like a box system for your whole abdominal cavity. That's why I showed that picture. You can do it manually yourself, or you can just use this machine. It's a Kegel stimulator machine that we have, that you put the pads, you put these like hydrogel pads on the pelvic muscle, and then you hook it up to this machine here, which is the Kegel machine, and it contracts the muscle for you within 20 minutes, and it does thousands of contractions. So you can do it manually, or you can do it with this machine. Oftentimes, I just give my patient these machines so they can use it, because you oftentimes do it wrong or you don't have time to do it. But if you use this machine, you want to do it every day or at least 5 times a week for 6 weeks. Take a month break and get back to it again, okay? So you can do it manually. You can just do it 10 repetitions, 3 sets a day, 3 sets at one time, and do it twice a day. So essentially, twice a day. So you end up with 60 contractions in a day, okay? This is the most neglected muscle in a man's body. And you have to know how important that is. There's 4 functions, right? It starts and stops your urine stream. It helps maintain your erection, orgasm, ejaculation. But yet, when's the last time you exercised it? Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com.
So here's the takeaway. Erections aren't just blood flow, they're also muscle control. If those pelvic muscles are weak, your erection can drain, even if your circulation is decent. Do the routine exactly as shown: 3-second holds, 10 reps, 3 sets, twice daily, and focus on contracting the pelvic floor without tightening your glutes, abs, or thighs. If you want, comment Kegels, and I'll make a follow-up on the most common mistakes and how to tell you're hitting the right muscle. And subscribe for more root cause ED fixes you can actually use.